Welcome to flooringdubai.com, your trusted guide for modern flooring in the UAE. In today's video, we'll break down one of the most common questions in interior design. What's the best flooring option? We're comparing luxury vinyl plank LVP, laminate, and hardwood based on durability, style, cost, and maintenance. Let us help you choose the right floor for your home or office. Overview of each option. Let us start with a quick overview. LVP, luxury vinyl plank, a waterproof, synthetic flooring that mimics wood and stone. Known for its durability and affordability. Laminate flooring, a wood composite core with a printed image layer. Looks like wood but costs less. Hardwood flooring, made from real timber. Classic, long-lasting, and premium but also the most expensive. Each of these floors has pros and cons. Let us compare them in detail. Durability and water resistance. Durability and water resistance are key, especially in kitchens, hallways, and Dubai's humid climate. LVP is the clear winner here. It's fully waterproof, scratch-resistant, and built to handle spills, pets, and traffic. Laminate is water-resistant, not waterproof. Excess moisture can damage the core. Hardwood is beautiful but sensitive. It can warp with moisture or heat changes. Great for bedrooms or dry areas, but not ideal for bathrooms or laundry rooms. Style and appearance. When it comes to style, all three look great, but there are differences. Hardwood offers unmatched authenticity. Each plank is unique, adding warmth and value to your space. LVP has come a long way, offering highly realistic wood, tile, or stone looks, often with texture and beveled edges. Laminate looks good too, but some patterns can feel repetitive or too printed up close. For a natural feel, hardwood wins. For modern variety, LVP is a strong contender. Cost comparison. Budget is a big factor in any flooring project. Laminate is usually the most affordable, especially for large areas. LVP sits in the middle, more expensive than laminate, but more durable. Hardwood is the most expensive upfront, but it adds long-term resale value. If you want style on a budget, go laminate. For performance and value, go LVP. For luxury and property investment, go hardwood. Maintenance and longevity. Let us talk about cleaning and long-term care. LVP is easy to clean, sweep, mop, done. No sealing or polishing needed. Laminate is also easy to maintain, but you have to be careful with water. Hardwood requires a bit more care, refinishing every few years, using special cleaners, and protecting from scratches. In terms of lifespan, hardwood can last 50+ years with proper care. LVP lasts around 15 to 25 years, depending on the quality. Laminate usually lasts 10 to 15 years. Still unsure? Our team at flooringdubai.com is here to help you compare samples, check your room conditions, and find the perfect match. Like, share, and subscribe for more flooring tips and design inspiration, and thanks for watching.